Hi, this is Lucas 10, and this is my tutorial 10 for 2406. So, um, this is all that needs to be showed off. Show you how I got there. Um, just turn on the server, go to songs and title girl, and it's supposed to display something like this, where it's a table for the columns, or the width is 4, and then it's an n height or n number of rows. And here it is. It shows the same. This is all the same. And yeah, I think that's all. I'll show the code, I suppose. This is pretty much all that I added here, this portion, and then in the HBS file. And that's all. Okay.